How to fix Play Store download problem on a Huawei phone. So all what you have to do guys is simple. Just go to the settings on your phone on your Huawei, and this is the settings page. Now go to the apps option and click again on apps and search for Play Store and click on it. Now after you click on Play Store, here you will find many options. So all what you have to do is just click on data usage and make sure to enable all those options, and then go back and click on disable and then click on force stop and then click on storage. Now right here click on clear cache and clear data. Now the last step is click here to enable the Play Store again and restart your phone, and Play Store must be working good for you, as you can see right here. So yeah, that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.